Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 or Windows 10 update error 0x800f0805 in a clear and practical way so you can get your system updating again without stress. This error usually appears when there are corrupted update files or issues with system components. Let's start with the simplest fix. Open Settings. Go to Update and Security, then click on Troubleshoot. Select Additional Troubleshooters and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Let it detect and fix any problems automatically. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to reset the Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type a few commands to stop update services, clear the software distribution folder, and restart the services again. This refreshes the entire update system. After that, check your system files. Again, in Command Prompt as admin, run the sfc/scannow command and wait for it to complete. If it finds and repairs corrupted files, restart your computer. You can also use the DISM tool by running dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health. This helps fix deeper system image issues that may be causing the error. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable and disable any VPN or third-party antivirus temporarily, as they can sometimes block updates. After trying these steps, your update error should be resolved and Windows should install updates normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.